Welcome to a fascinating journey inside a potato chip factory. Get ready to witness the satisfying process of turning humble potatoes into crispy, delicious chips. We're taking you behind the scenes to see the incredible scale and precision involved in making your favorite snack. It's a blend of high-tech machinery and meticulous quality control. It all starts with the perfect potato. Freshly harvested potatoes are delivered to the factory, where they are sorted and inspected to ensure only the best quality moves forward. Next, the potatoes go through a thorough washing and peeling process. Industrial machines efficiently remove the skin, preparing them for the transformation into chips. Precision is key. The potatoes are quickly sliced into perfectly uniform, thin chips. This ensures they cook evenly for that signature crunch. The freshly sliced chips are rinsed again to remove excess starch. This step is crucial for achieving that light, crispy texture when fried. Now for the magic, the frying. The chips are quickly cooked in hot oil until they achieve that beautiful golden brown color and irresistible crunch. Right after frying, the chips are seasoned to perfection. Specialized equipment tumbles the chips, ensuring every single one is coated evenly with delicious flavor. Quality control is paramount. Workers inspect the chips as they move along the conveyor belt, removing any chips that don't meet the high standards. The perfectly seasoned chips are quickly packaged into bags, sealed to lock in the freshness and crunch, and prepared for distribution. From the farm to the factory, and finally to your hands, that's the satisfying process of making potato chips. Now you know the effort that goes into every crunch.